What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this year is 2024 and it is gonna be our year. Last year was crazy for us on YouTube. We gained over 500 subscribers, which I didn't think was gonna happen, so that's insane. We are now officially at 600 people, which, love you. Thank you so much for subscribing and sticking around. So last year we did a lot of like makeup content, and I feel like I taught you guys a lot about makeup, like where to apply certain things, different eye looks, you know, all the basics. So this year I really want to go back to my roots on social media. I want to go back to the nail community. So if you don't know, I actually did start out on the nail community. I started out on Instagram as the Polished Ninja, and then switched over to Annalea's Canvas, and then to Annalea Nicole, where I started makeup. Definitely a crazy journey. So I haven't done my nails in like 5 years. This is actually my first set in years, and I love them so much. They're just like these magnetic hearts, and I can go ahead and do a tutorial on these if you want. I definitely can do better. It was just rusty. It was my first time back in literal years. So with that, I'm going to teach you guys everything I know, and we're going to do nails this year. This is the year that we learn to do it ourselves. With that being said, let's get into today's video. I've spent almost $300 on nail stuff this week from Amazon, and while I wait for that all to come in, I did go ahead and get a PR package from TikTok, and I'll go ahead and have all the like swatches and stuff over there. I might do a little like in video clip right here or something if I remember, but this was sent to me from TikTok. This is 42 plus 6 gel nail polishes. So I thought this would be perfect because I know a lot of people do have a nail lamp already. And if you don't worry. I do have similar kits that I'll be posting in the next few weeks with a lamp in it. So if you really like this kit, you can go ahead and get a lamp for it. They're really cheap on Amazon, or if you want to go ahead, stick around and wait. I do have more sets coming that have lamps included. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this nail kit and do some nails together. So these ones are going to be a little bit basic because I have more stuff coming on Tuesday that I'm super excited to use. So I definitely want to hold out until then to do anything crazy, but we're going to lay down the foundation for the nails that we want to do. So in here you just get your little user manual. It tells you all their cure times, everything like that. You can go ahead, read through this, or I'm going to go ahead and walk you through everything that I do. And my nails last 3 to 4 weeks before I take them off. I do like to take my nails off pretty regularly, especially if I'm doing nail content, which I'm going to be starting to do again this year. So they will be coming off about every week and a half. These have been on for a week, and I'm just bored. I gotta change them up. So this is what the inside of this package looks like, and as you can see, we get the whole entire rainbow. And I don't really know what I want to do, but I know that this neon color right here is like insane. Or there's this really pretty blue that I might do. I haven't opened it because I haven't done the swatches yet, but I'm thinking it's snowing out. I'm thinking maybe this blue with like snowflakes would be super cool. I love these nail polish bottles so much. They're not like a normal nail polish bottle. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this nail kit. Let's go ahead and get into these nail polishes. Like I said, I have the swatch videos up on TikTok if you really want to see them. But these are the colors. So we have the entire rainbow to work with. And then as you can see on that bottom row, there are some without caps. So we'll go ahead and get into what those are as well, because it is 42 colored gels plus 6 bottles. That's where that number comes in, because a lot of people were confused about it. So I just want to explain that real quick. So in that bottom row, you do have your base coat, your top coat, your diamond top coat, your luminous top coat, your matte top coat, and a builder gel. So that is all 6 of those polishes that weren't included in that 42 color. Welcome to the voiceover. So I just went ahead and decided to do voiceover just so I can focus on my show and really zoom in on these nails for you guys. So I'm not sure why I only showed you the top coat there, but I used this blue, which is G196, as well as the top coat and the diamond top coat. I really enjoy these polishes a lot. Like, they don't bubble, they don't wrinkle, they don't do none of that bullshit that a lot of gel polishes do, no matter how heavy-handed you are. Now, of course, with gel, you do want to be a little bit of a lighter hand. You'd rather be thinner and do a couple coats instead of being heavy with it. But I was super heavy with one of the nails just to test it, and it didn't wrinkle, which was really impressive to me because a lot of nail polishes that are gel will wrinkle if you put on too heavy of a coat. So I really enjoyed that. But the pigment on this polish is just so good. It's a one swipe polish and I am obsessed. I think if you guys were to try out this polish, you guys would absolutely love it. If you were an OG of my page back in the day, you know I was obsessed with Orly Snow Cone. And this is giving all the snow cone vibes. I honestly think this is a perfect dupe. And I haven't been able to find that polish in years since they discontinued it. So that just made me so happy to be able to find a color that I'm pretty positive is like a perfect dupe for it. And that's just so good. Anyways, we're going in with that G196 and we're just doing one coat on each finger, and then we're going to go ahead and cure it. And you can go ahead and flash cure in between coats for about 15 seconds. That's going to prevent the gel from moving anywhere. But you do want to make sure once you're done, you want to do a full coat of curing on it. So a whole minute under the lamp is what I do. And then we're going to go ahead and move into this diamond coat right here. And let me tell you, this thing is stunning. So with my lights on to film, it is a little bit harder to see just how beautiful this polish is, but you can see me pulling out of the bottle and it literally looks like diamond. So I understand the name and it's 100% justified. I am obsessed. So I'm going to actually go ahead and insert a video here somewhere on the screen of this polish with a flash, because in a lot of lower lights, like the bathroom lighting, it actually represents the flash so well. Like what you see in the flash is what you get in low light. And whenever I saw it on the flash, I was like, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. But obviously, how often are you going to have your camera on with the flash in order to see it? So it was one of those things. But once I went into the bathroom and like the bedroom with the low lights, this is what I saw with the flash. And it just is so good. I've gotten so many compliments on this nail combo. I do quickly want to note this gel polish, the diamond top coat, is a little bit textured, so you can feel it going on, but it is thicker glitter, so of course it's not gonna be super smooth. You're gonna feel a little bit. It's not awful, but you can definitely feel it's there when you're applying it. And whenever it cures, it does come out. I'm just showing you, it's a no wipe top coat, which means you don't have to have an alcohol pad to clean off the goo. It's just done, it's set, it's ready to go. But it is a little bit textured, so we're gonna go in with the regular top coat. And let me tell you, this is one of my favorite top coats now. For each set I've done so far, I've reached for this one. I've done 2 or 3 since this video, and I keep going back to this top coat. It looks like glass. Like, look at the shine that it just put on, and it's not even cured yet. And I've had this set on for a couple days now that I'm currently wearing, and it is just still as shiny. It hasn't dulled out at all with wear and tear. I love this. It's held up so good on all the sets, and it's just so beautiful and glassy. So I just went ahead and did one coat on every single fingernail just to help cover up that texture and give me a smooth finish, because that's really what I was going for. I didn't want the texture at all. And make sure to cap your tips whenever you are done, or the tip of your nail if you don't have tips on like I do. It's just gonna help it last longer and not chip, and it's gonna give you a longer life on your nails. And then once you go ahead and finish all that, go ahead and cure it one last time for 1 minute. And once it's done curing, your nails are going to be done. But look at the shine whenever they come out. It is incredible. The shine on this is just like top tier. It is so good. So now you guys can see why I'm obsessed with this top coat now, and it is definitely just such a good one. I highly recommend, if you're gonna get anything from the set, definitely get the top coats, the diamond one and the regular one, because it's just so glossy and shiny. So if you guys want a video of my nail prep, I can definitely do that for you. I did go ahead and use a dehydrator, so make sure you put on some oils when you're done. You really want to put some hydration back into your nails after curing them so much and using a dehydrator and acetone and all the other stuff that you do to prep your nails. But this is the final result of these nails. They're definitely giving Cinderella vibes or snow vibes. I definitely want to go ahead and add some snowflakes on here. I got some new stuff that I want to try, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and do another video adding snowflakes on here eventually. I got some stuff coming in the mail and I'm super excited to film that. But these are the final results of these nails. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!